Let me tell you something about interest. It's the quiet little fee that follows you everywhere you go. Like that one cousin that never pays you back but keeps asking for rides. When you borrow money, you ain't just paying it back. You're paying extra for the time it takes you to do it. That extra, that's interest. See, banks figured out a long time ago they can make more money off your patience than your paycheck. You take too long, they get paid more. You pay early, they get less. It's the most consistent hustle in history. So when you swipe that credit card and think, it's only $100, just know that $100 can turn into $180 if you treat it like a roommate that never moves out. Interest ain't evil though. It's just direction. It can work for you or against you. It all depends on which side of the payment you're on. Now let's make this plain. Simple interest is like this. You borrow $1,000 from me and I charge you 10% a year. After a year, you owe me $1,100. Easy math. But compound interest, that's a sneaky one. That's when your interest starts earning interest. It's like the money had kids and those kids got jobs. For example, you put $1,000 in an account that pays 10% a year. After the first year, you got $1,100. But next year, you earn 10% on $1,100. Not just $1,000. Now it's $1,210. After 10 years, you got $2,593. That's more than double, and you didn't lift a finger. That's why Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He said, those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it. Now here's how you flip it. Rule number 1, stop giving away free interest. Pay off credit cards in full before they even get a chance to charge you. You can't get wealthy if you're always paying for the privilege to owe somebody. Rule number 2, become the lender. Every time you invest, you're earning interest instead of paying it. That's why your savings account don't move. It's too shy. But your investment account, that's the one that grows up and moves out. Rule number 3, consistency beats speed. $100 a month invested at 10% for 10 years is about $19,000. But $100 a month for 30 years, over $200,000. The math ain't magic, it's patience. So remember, interest ain't a punishment, it's a mirror. It just shows whether you're working for money or your money's working for you. And I'm not Ted. But thank you for coming to my talk. Money talk, that is. By the way, if this video helped you, hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'm dropping new content every week. If you want more money and less problems, stick around. Unc got you.